Amidst rumors of Manohar Parrikar's condition becoming critical, another strong rumor also kept floating the whole day on Saturday. Congress MLA Digambar Kamath will split and made the Chief Minister of BJP-led coalition government. Congress, however, dismissed the news, stating that going to BJP means going to hospital.
If Parrikar does not remain as the Chief Minister, $1 million question, who would be to replace him? MGP leader Sutin Davlikar was already in Delhi. Nobody from MGP was ready to speak on the rumor that Davlikar has been asked to merge MGP into BJP and take over as CM. Many BJP leaders were unofficially telling O365 that Margaon MLA Digambar Kamath may take over as the new Chief Minister, as there was a conscience given to his name by all coalition partners. But none of the allies were ready to speak on it. Even Digambar personally was not ready to speak. However, after South Goa Congress MLA meeting and having a meeting at Digambar's residence, this is what Girish had to say.
rumors spread rumors पहिल्याच फावटी जाल्या त्याची पहिली rumors क्रिएट खूप झाल्या त्याची पहिली 6 महिने पहिली झाल्या त्याची पहिली ते चालूच असता rumors कोण करता ह्यो बीजेपी कडल्यानूच बीजेपीच्या ऑफिस बेरानूच फोन मारता सगळ्यांक आणि ते अशें आयको येता मरे यश म्हणून आणि ते मागीर मुखार आणि त्याच बरोबर 10 जाणांक फोन मारता ते एक कडेन बसता 5 जाण आणि 10-15 जाणांक फोन मारप rumors रोखडेच कळटा न्ही कितले फावटी केले त्याच्या नंतर दिगंबर कामत आशिल्ले थंय आसा आयज दिगंबर कामतीचे rumors हे केल्या आणि 8 दिसांनी परत कळटले दिगंबर कामत आशिल्ले थंय आसा म्हणून सगळे आमदारांक सगळ्यांक कळोन चुकलां की बीजेपी वचप म्हणल्यार हॉस्पिटलांत वचप आणि ते हॉस्पिटलांत मागीर खंय वचपाचो आणि ते कितें दितात पयशे दितात सो खुबशे आमदार विचार करपाक लागल्यात की आपले आरोग्य आणि आपलो जीव हेचे परस पयशे काय म्हणून जेंका दिसता आपलो जीव आणि आपले आरोग्य हेच्याहून महत्व पयशे ते बीजेपीन वयतले कारण ते बीजेपी वयतात ते बीजेपी वचना ते हॉस्पिटलांत वतात.
Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut in Margaon.